Now we are going to see some questions regarding the topics we have seen previously. So this is the question which says position dependent force F is equals to 7 minus 2x plus 3x square acts on a small body of mass 2 kg and displaces it from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 5 centimeter. Calculate the work done in joules. So how we will do this question? First of all, see the force. Force is 7 minus 2x plus 3x square. Here the x means the distance or the position. So you can see force is dependent upon position of the particle. If you put different value of x, force will have different value. Means force is a function of position. Okay, means in short, the force is not constant but the force is variable. If it will have been constant, its value will be 7, 5, 4 or etc. Okay, but here you can see it is a function of x, hence it is variable. It will depend upon the position of the particle and hence we can call it as a variable force. So you know when the force is variable, how will we find the work? You know when the force is constant, the formula is work is equals to F dot ds dot cos theta. But when it's variable force, it is simply the integration of F dot ds. So what we will do is work is F dot ds and put the integration sign. Why? Because the force is variable. Okay, because it is a function of x. Okay, so what is F? F is 7 minus 2x plus 3x square dot what is ds? So we'll write ds in dx. Okay, so what is dx? Okay, so it is dx in this case. So now I'll make some space. Okay, so force is variable, it is function of x. Okay, so when the force is variable, we know formula of work is integration of F dot dx. So what is force in this case? Force is 7 minus 2x plus 3x square. Okay, dot dx. What will be the limits? Limits will be from x1 to x2. So what is x1? x1 is 2 and x2 is 5. So I can write 7 dx minus 2x dx plus 3x square dx. Okay, and the limits will be from 2 to 5. Okay, now I can write work is equals to integration 7 dot dx 2 to 5 plus, so it will be minus over here, minus 2 will come outside, x dx integration from 2 to 5 plus 3 will come outside, x square dot dx from 2 to 5. Okay, so again I know integration of dx is simply 7 x from 2 to 5 minus 2. So now x dx, integration of x dx is x square by 2 from 2 to 5 plus 3. Integration of x square dot dx is x cube by 3. Integration from 2 to 5. So work done, I can write it as 7, 5 minus 2, minus 2 and 2 are cancelled. So it will be 5 square minus 2 square plus 3 and 3 get cancelled. So it will be 5 cube minus 2 cube. Okay, so when I'll calculate this, so 7, 5 minus 2 is 3, so it will be 21 minus what is 5 square, it is 25 minus 2 square, it is 4 plus 5 cube, it is 125 minus 2 cube, it is 8. So the answer will be W is equals to 21 minus it will be 21 minus 4, it is 21 okay, plus 125 minus 8, it will be 117. So 21 and 21 will get cancelled. So your answer is work is equals to 117 joules. Okay, so in this way we have seen how we can solve the problems which involve calculus, some amount of integration, differentiation, and when the force is variable. Okay, so in this way you have seen one of the questions.